Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be making this fuzzy owl using chalk pastels. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of black construction paper and I want you to hold it portrait style so it's longer up and down than it is side to side. You're going to need a couple different colors of chalk, but we're going to start with the yellow first and we're going to draw the eyes of the owl. So we're going to go up higher on the page but not all the way to the top. So come down a little bit from the top. We're going to draw two big yellow circles. And then what I want you to do is make those circles nice and thick. So you're going to fill them in, go around and around, so that you have a big thick circle like that on both of your eyes. And make sure you tap off the extra dust. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add in some little lines that come out from the eyes. So I'm going to use the brown chalk here, and just like I'm drawing eyelashes, I'm just going to draw tiny little lines that go around both of the eyes. And it's fine if you just go around once, but I'm going to go around twice so that way it looks like he's extra fuzzy. So now that that is finished, I'm going to draw the beak, and I'm going to use the orange chalk pastel here. So what I'm going to do is just draw a line in the middle of the two eyes at the bottom, and then I'm going to draw a V that connects to that line, and then I'll just color that in and tap off my extra chalk. And now what we're going to do is take the side of our chalk here. Now this has to be a smaller piece. You wouldn't want to use something that is as long as this orange piece here. You want it to be pretty small. You're going to hold it on its side and just kind of go back and forth just a little bit. It's a little shake. And what that's going to do is make a nice thick line, and they're going to look like feathers. So I'm going to go on the outside of those thinner lines, and I'm going to go around both eyes, but not in the middle. Just go down and around on both sides, going back and forth with the side of my chalk. And I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier for me. So now what I'm going to do is draw a U that goes underneath of this line of feathers here, goes down, and then back up. And this is just going to be an outline for the body. So inside of the body and on this line here, I'm going to use that same technique, just going back and forth in little lines. And then I can add in a little extra if I want to add in some like little wings. And I'm going to add in a lot of these so that it looks extra fuzzy. But I want to make sure that I don't cover up all of the black space, because then it won't look fuzzy anymore. It'll just be brown. All right, so once that's done, I'm going to get my green chalk pastel, and just at the bottom here, right underneath, I'm going to draw a thick line. So I'm going to use the side of my green for this, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and goes across my whole paper. And what I tried to do is make it thicker on one side and thinner on the other, so that way it really looks like a tree branch. So now I'm going to tap off the extra dust, and I'm going to use my orange, and what I'm going to do is just do two rainbow lines for the feet, and then I'll add in a line just like that for his little toes. And the last thing that I'm going to do is just add in a little bit of a white reflection. And so I'm going to add in a little circle and fill that in on each eye at the top right hand side. Isn't he just so cute and fuzzy? I had so much fun making him. I hope you guys do too. And if you make this at home, don't forget to tweet me a picture at Mix It Up Art. And as always, have fun.